When you open the application, this is how the interface looks like. Now, tap on Open Demarcation Exercise. It will open a page called the menu page. On this menu page, you are going to see Create New Case icon, My Profile icon, Incomplete Case icon, Complete Case icon, Pool Boundaries icon, Export Case icon, Settings icon, Offline Page, Offline Maps, EADPAD manual icon, Device Verification icon, Send Feedback icon, Advanced Configuration icon. All these are the icons you find on the menu page. Now, you want to create a profile. Type on My Profile icon. It will open a page called Demarcator's Location Details. On this page, this is where you are going to enter the details of all of the demarcator. The state where he's working, the local government where he's working, the ward name, the ward code, demarcator's team details. This demarcator team details is normally collected from supervisors. Supervisors will assign you your team number and your set number, so you impute it as given. Demarcator's personal details. This is where you input your full name and your phone number. Now, let's apply as recommended. A drop down will come up when you tap on state field. I choose Kaduna because I work in Kaduna. I choose Kaduna North as the local government where I'm working. I choose Meburji as the ward name. Then I am a team 4 and set 2. Then my full name is already written there and my phone number is already written there. So I can save detail and a pop-up comes up. Ensure all details entered in this field are correct. Once submitted, this would override all previous settings. I submit. Once you submit, you have created a profile page for yourself as a demarcator. Now, we'll now move to create a new case. When you tap on Create a New Case icon, a page pop up where you have your ward name. Tap on it and select your ward name. Then temporary EA code. This is the first EA you are going to carve. Your temporary EA code will be 1. Tap on 1 and EA structure. EA structure, we have 3 types. We have standalone EA, multi-EA locality, multi-locality EA. Standalone EA is an EA where the locality gives a single EA. The total number of persons in that locality are not less than 250 and not more than 550 estimated population. So that's where you have a standalone locality. A multi-EA locality is a locality where you have so many EAs in that locality. That's multi-EA locality. Then multi-locality EA is a locality where all the localities in that EA couldn't form one EA. You have to bring all of them together to give you one EA. So now we are working on multi-EA locality. Then move to the next page, scroll down and you see locality name, impute locality name as Gabasawa. The temporary E locality code, every supervisor is given the total number of locality they are going to work on, and we've coded them serially based on how they are going to work on the field. So each of you as a demarcator, ask your supervisor what's the locality code of the particular particular locality you are working in. He will tell you, let's assume this is 1. Then locality type, we have a sampling locality or a non-sampling locality. A sampling locality is a locality where you have above 21 residential buildings. A non-sampling locality is a locality where you have less than 21 residential buildings. Now we are working on a sampling locality. We tap on it. Locality class. This is where you have either primary locality or a sub-primary locality. A primary locality are locality that have been existing for a very long years. It has a rulership and depends on no any other locality for survival. But a sub-primary locality depends on a parent locality for survival in terms of economy and other social amenities. Now we are working on a primary locality, so I tap on primary locality. Then I save and open a new case. Once I save and open a new case, it has created a case for me where I can carve out my ease. Tap on it and proceed. Now I have opened and created a case. So for me to view the case I have created, I go into incomplete case icon and tap on it, where you have red label bar. Those are the card that have created the ease. So now for me to open a case, I'll tap on open a case. It will open the case for me. Now if I want to add building, I'll have to check on the building, add building icon, then tap on the imagery. Once I tap on the imagery, it's numbered. And once it's numbered, it expects me to enter the next information about that building. So I go to next. All information about the building will be imputed. If the building is a corner building, I tap. I now put the address of the building, number 1, Sarki Hausawa Road, Kaduna. Then I scroll up, move to the next. I tap the forward icon, move to the next. Building ownership, is it privately owned? Building type, is it bungalow? Building structure, is it residential or non-residential? So as you tap on the icon, you see the drop down and click the necessary information. Now if it's a sample building, this is the number of persons, number of household in a building. You enter, say 2. We'll ask you, would you like to wrap up your EA? You say no. Say next building. Then for you to tap on the next building, you tap on this, add building, and tap on the exact position where the building is. That's how you add building to the image. Now let's assume you have created a case and you observe that the locality is a single locality EA, not a multi-locality EA, or the locality is a multi-locality EA, not a multi-EA locality, and you have created a case where you recorded a multi-locality EA. So for you to change that, you come to the card you have created and tap on edit case detail. After tapping on it, you come to where you have EA structure and tap on multi-locality EA. And once you tap on that multi-locality EA, you scroll down and tap on update EA attribute, and you say yes, update. It has updated that card. Then you can continue your work. Then you go back to open. Now for you to be able to open and edit building address that you have already typed, you have to open the case. Then on the top right where you have a 3 dots, you tap on it, you see a file tree there. You tap on the file tree, then the card is open. Then you tap on the card, then you can adjust your information on the building address. Edit it. Select number 1, Serikin Hausawa Road. Maybe it's now number 1, Igbo Road. Kaduna. Then you go scroll down and you say update entry. Tap on update entry and say yes. Now this is how you update your edits when you have made a mistake on the entry.